Hello and welcome to this video that's going to help you to use SMILE method. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about SMILE method before we start. It is a great method to help you multiply tens by single digits or tens by tens. Okay, so we're talking like 40 times 5 or 70 times 3. And it's all just using our knowledge of times tables and multiplying by 10, hundreds or thousands. Okay, let me quickly run through the success criteria and then I'll give you some examples which will help you understand a little bit easier. First success criteria is I can ignore the zeros in the questions. Okay, sometimes these zeros can put us off or scare us. It's best just to ignore them. But then we do this bit. I can use my times tables to multiply, and then finally it's all about putting those zeros back on at the end, and that should give us the answer. Probably not sure what I mean, but here's an example to show you. Okay, let's start off with a nice one. Let's do, say, 40 times 5. Okay, so I'm going to ignore the zero. I'm going to ignore this zero. So I'm imagining it is just 4 times 5, and there's my smile. So that's why it's called SMILE method. So I'm just doing 4 times 5, and I know that is 20. Okay, so that's my second success criteria. Then I'm on to this third success criteria. And I'm going to put this zero back on the end. And there's my answer. It's as simple as that, really. Another quick example. Let's do 70 times by 3. Again, I'm going to forget about this zero. There's my smile. 7 times 3, I know my times table, so I know that's 21. And then I'm adding that 0, putting it back on the end, multiplying it by 10, like that. Okay? And that's the simplest way of doing it. I'll show you another couple of examples now, when numbers are big, or if I've got two tens. Okay, so here's another example then when we've got 2 tens in the question. So if it was 30 times 60, again I'm following that first success criteria and I'm ignoring the 2 zeros. So I'm just doing 3 times 6, which I think is 18, and then I'm adding the 2 zeros back on to the answer. It's 1,800. Okay, or if I had, say, 400 times 9, it'd work in almost the same way. Ignore the 2 zeros, just put that smile in. 4 times 9 is 36, and again adding the 2 zeros on. Okay, and that's nice and simple. So all I need to do is forget about the zeros, remember my times tables, then put those zeros back on. And it's a nice simple method. It's a really important method as well because we use it so much in grid method when we're multiplying bigger numbers, and it's just a really useful skill to have. So keep practicing that, guys. Just need to know your times tables and remember to forget about those zeros. The aim is to just be able to do it in your head and not even have to write out your smile. Okay, good luck, guys.